Welcome to the Norwegian Breakaway. Today we're going to be taking you to the Manhattan dining room for supper. We have a big group of us for our group cruise, and we're going to show you some of the fun we had in there and some of the food. The Manhattan has live music and a dance floor. We're going to show you the dance floor and then the menu and finally the fun and the food that we had here in the Manhattan room. We start with a fun etiquette lesson. Make your hands into OKs. Your left hand's a B, your right hand is a D.
This is the rule. You make your okie dokies like this, right? And you sit like this, like you're very zen. And this makes a letter B, so that's your bread plate. And this is a D, that's your drink.
How about that?
What about the F that I did?
Yeah. When someone takes your bread plate, the best polite thing to do is to just move over and take the other bread plate.
I'm going to go ahead and lick mine so nobody will want it.
Yeah, exactly.
I already licked yours.
Oh, well, we got germs in. Go ahead and check out the menu and see what you would order tonight here in the Manhattan restaurant. Please be sure to let your server know if you have any food allergies. Everything you see Robin from Sea Leg Journeys eating tonight is gluten-free. The band was really good, and we started feeling the vibe just sitting here at the dinner table waiting for our food. Robin from Sea Leg Journeys is already getting her groove on. Oh, she won't be doing this by herself very long. No, pretty soon Cindy's going to join in, and then Bruce, and then Tom, and then myself, and then, well, we'll probably have to head to the dance floor eventually. Don't just sit there. Go ahead and start wiggling around in your seat with us. The Manhattan is full every night, so be sure to book your reservations early so that you can get in there.
Look at that, tacos?
That's a little tostada. Mini tostadas, y'all. Look at that. The jalapeno is bigger than the tostada. So let's try one.
Use a tostada. Use a magnifying glass to see your tostada.
What's tostada? Got a big old nice jalapeno on the top, y'all. You see that?
Looks good.
That is funny. They're just tostadas.
What?
What? I was gonna order that too.
Jalapeno got some zip, baby.
Is it good?
The jalapeno is the only thing you can taste, so very powerful jalapeno. The Manhattan was great. The only complaint we had was that the service was a little bit slow.
Thank you. Thank you.
What kind of soup you got?
It's some kind of corn.
ginger.
Corn
I never
bisque.
done
Oh yeah, that's right, the corn bisque. You know how it tastes.
She said she wouldn't talk about it. I almost ripped my thumb off.
Thank you. It tastes like cornmeal mix.
It's like what?
Cornmeal mix.
Oh, okay.
It does. I got.
Okay, Sea Lake Journey crew. So the little tostadas I had, they have big slices of raw jalapeno on it, which just kind of overpowered the chips. All you could taste was the jalapeno. But the jalapenos that were put over there into Robin's corn stew, it just enhanced it and made it better.
It's yellow corn bisque, not stew.
Yellow corn bisque.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I said.
And the jalapeno definitely complemented the corn soup for sure.
That looks really good.
Okay, here is my pasta dish I ordered. I forgot what it was.
Big ziti.
Yeah, baked ziti, that's right. And Robin from Sea Lake Journey says, guys,
The
Bacon
bacon
wrapped
burger, bacon bourbon wrapped shrimp.
it looks good. And look at here, fried chicken, corn on the cob, and mashed potatoes over here from Tom. Dang, Tom, you're going to eat like a Southern boy tonight.
I feel like a Southern boy right now. Not good. Then we got the fish.
Go ahead and start. Is it okay to go ahead and start?
Yes.
And Tom got fried chicken, potatoes, corn. Looks good.
I just took a bite of this, and flavor's good. A little overcooked, but the flavor's good.
Do you want a piece of chicken?
Maybe I don't want to take the whole piece of chicken for the shrimp, but maybe a small little bite.
It's good. I definitely taste the Cajun. The grits are kind of odd, but we're Southern. We like grits. These are kind of the consistency of mashed potatoes, maybe.
My fish just splattered in the butter and the butter splattered.
Okay.
On my bill.
Okay, what you have?
I get the chef's choice. I think it looks like apple.
Cindy, what did you
Give
get?
it a taste.
It looks like apple.
This is her gluten-free dessert. The chef always picks her dessert every night.
Good.
French martini.
She has a chef's choice over there.
Pineapple juicy vodka.
It's like the apple filling in the apple
I only
pie
knew the recipe
with homemade Cool Whip.
Okay.
It's very
So I
good.
told him what to do. And
Me and Bruce both got the chocolate something cake, Black Forest
Black
cake.
Forest cake. I have.
The cherry flavor is perfect. This is really a good. I'm not a cake person. I don't usually care for cake, but this right here is really good. I would order it again. We had some good food and a good time at the Manhattan Dining Room on the Norwegian Breakaway, and we think you will too. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks. But wait, there's still more fun to come. Guess what we're going to do after we get done at the Manhattan Dining Room? Follow us along and find out what we're going to do next. Okay, the pre-glow party here in Sea Lake Journeys cabin, 9461. Look what's going on here. We got Robin, we got Sydney, we got Terry, we got Tom, we've got Bruce from Ocean to Ocean. We've got everybody making these glow things for the glow party, y'all. Look at this. Whee! Everybody having fun? I better get my butt back to work.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member. Or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.